In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D minimalist photo in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know how to upload a photo, craft a clear prompt, run it, and wait for the model to produce a sleek, depth-filled result with a clean, minimalist feel. Start by opening the Google Gemini app on your Windows computer. Look for the plus icon, usually near the input area. Click it to upload a photo from your device. Choose an image with a clear subject and simple background for the best 3D minimalist effect. High-resolution photos work well because they give the model more detail to interpret, but avoid anything overly busy or cluttered. Make sure you have rights to use the image, especially if it includes people or recognizable products. Next, it's time to write your prompt. Think of your prompt as the creative brief you'd give a designer. What's in the scene, the style, the lighting, the background, and the overall mood. For a 3D minimalist look, be explicit about keeping the background clean and the lighting controlled. For example, you might say, a futuristic cinematic poster of a young rider on a stylized sci-fi motorcycle with oversized textured wheels. The rider wears dark sunglasses, an oversized patterned jacket, and boots, leaning forward as if accelerating. The bike is cyberpunk-inspired with a matte black finish and spiral-patterned tires. Minimalist light gray studio background with soft shadows beneath the bike. High-contrast lighting, ultra-realistic, sharp focus, fashion editorial style, dynamic pose, modern digital art, clean composition. You can adapt this to your own subject. Swap the rider and motorcycle for your photo's main elements, while keeping the minimalist studio vibe, soft shadows, and sharp focus. When your prompt and photo are ready, place the cursor in the input box and press Enter. This tells Gemini to combine your uploaded image with the instructions you've written. Before you press Enter, give your prompt a quick read for clarity, and remove any extra adjectives that don't support the minimalist look. Now, wait for the result. This may take a while, depending on your internet connection, the complexity of your prompt, and the size of your image. You'll typically see a progress indicator while the model works. Be patient and avoid clicking around too much during generation. When the output appears, look for hallmarks of the 3D minimalist style. A crisp subject that appears to pop from a neutral background, gentle studio shadows that imply depth, and a clean composition without visual noise. If the result feels too busy or flat, refine your prompt by emphasizing minimalist studio background, soft shadows, sharp focus, and clean composition. Then run it again for a tighter, more dimensional look.